Ishy will make the heart happen. I send them facts, metaphors and my sarcasm. I'm sarcastic, I'm so far past it. I call myself the L because I'm so far past them. Man, I fart rappers, chatting fart from the heart. I'm an artist, I articulate, my bars are active. We can bar action, I got a raw accent. NG7 smokes some blunts, we're not actors. No, you're not dissing me, this is Ishy history. Believe it or not, I failed my English literacy, and I'm a lyricist. Holler when you're big as this. I've got some kids for you to kiss if you're dissing ish. Listen bitch, the mission is knee suck and blow, swallow and lick it like it's literal licorice. Make a wish, won't make you bitch. If you want to rid of ish, you better ask Fifth Nova or your mom what my secret is. I've got bars like no other nigga. Never kiss the lyric book when I boss. I'm accurate, you're inadequate, and you ain't got nothing.
Sound of the street.